Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on ZTE Blade A36. Okay, the process is really easy. All we need to do before we launch our WhatsApp is opening up the settings. Now scroll all the way down until you find the Google, and in here make sure that you're logged into the same Google account that you have selected when you are creating a backup. It is really important because if you are logged into wrong account, you won't be able to restore your chats. So simply make sure that you're logged into proper account. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. As you can see, the app welcomes us. Now select your language and click on Agree and Continue. We can click on Allow to send us notifications, and now in here in that place we need to type our phone number. If you don't remember it, you can also click on What's My Number, then click on Continue, click on Allow, and as you can see, the number has been automatically copied. Now we need to click on Next, and we also need to verify our phone number using one of the two methods. We can use the code from the SMS message or use the missed call function. In my opinion, missed call function works much better and faster, so that's the method that I'm going to use. As you can see, it's also automatically selected. So I'll click on Continue. Now click on Allow. It's requesting for a call, so we need to wait a little bit. Alright, automatically verifying, so everything is going fine. Verified. Connecting. Okay, we need to wait a little bit more. Okay, the loading has finished. Now we have something like that. Contacts and media, we need to click on Continue. Now click on Allow, Allow, and Allow All. Okay, now select Restore from Last Backup. In here you can see the date and the hour. And now click on Continue. You can see that we are restoring from the account that I'm currently logged into in the settings. So everything is fine. In my case, restoring won't take that long because I don't have many messages, so it should be done at any second. And remember that if you don't restore your chats right now, there is a huge chance that you won't be able to do it later. So when you have that possibility, you should do this right now. Alright, 12 messages restored. We can click on Next right now. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you are interested. Then click on Next. If you want, you can go to Backup Settings and enable this feature. In my case, I don't want it right now. Okay, and as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos, photos, and normal messages, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.